Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to create a new category in Joomla 3.x. Open your favorite browser. Navigate to your Joomla 3.x homepage. Add /administrator to the end of the URL. Enter the username and password you have chosen during the installation process. Click Login. You have successfully logged into your Joomla dashboard. In the top menu, click on Content and then select Category Manager from the drop-down menu. Before you create your first category, all your articles will be assigned to the uncategorized category. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a new category and then assign the articles to that category. In the top left of the page, click the New button. Enter a title for the category and then click Save. That's it, a new category has been created. This is how you can create new category in Joomla 3.x. In our next tutorial, we will learn how to assign articles to this category. Thank you for watching.